guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we'll be studying about reversing the array. So reversing the array is one of the most important concept in arrays or even in any other data structures. So basically we'll start with reversing the array and then we'll understand two pointer approach in array while reversing it. So I'll explain you with an example for how to reverse the array. For example, this is my array what I have taken. So you know how the reversing array looks like. So your answer must be 45, 88, 23, 78, 56, 24. That has to be my output for this given array, right? How do you do? If you see properly, you can understand one basic thing is this 24 has to be at this point and the 45 has to be at the very first point. And the second element, that is 56, has to be at the last second place, that is 88, and 88 has to be at the second place. So you're swapping it, right? You can understand it by seeing. And your 78 will be in the place of 23 and your 23 will be in the place of 78. Very simple, right? You are understanding what I'm telling. So this is how you reverse. So if you write the code just to reverse, I hope that has to be satisfied, right? Sorry. Yeah. Right. So let's code for it. So we'll start with this. First we'll create an array int. I'll name it as array itself. Array ARR is equal to, I'll directly initialize it like 2, 4, 1, 67, 89. Oh shit. Some random numbers I'm just giving it. So this is my array, right? What I said, we are swapping it. 2 will be here, 54 will be in the place of 4 and 1 and 67 will be swapped. Okay, let's run this. Let's do this. We'll use for loop for int I is equal to 0 till where? Okay, that thing I'll explain. See here, if you swap complete length of the array, is it worth it? Give me a second. See, if you swap 24 with 45, 1 second. If you swap 24 with 45, obviously this two will be swapped, and you are swapping 56 with 84, right? It is done. You are swapping 78 with 23, right? It's done. Again, when you come for the next half of the array, again you will swap. That is, you are swapping 23 again with 78. 84 will you be swapping with 56. That is the reverse one. I'll show you one with the coding also so that you'll understand it properly. I'll take it till full length. Okay, that is array dot length. I'll explain you what I'm telling you. Okay, and we'll initialize j till array dot length -1 minus I. Okay, and now we will swap it. That is, int temp is equal to array of I is equal to array of j. Swapping is very easy thing. I hope you know how does this swap works, because everyone knows it. If you don't know, please understand how does this happen, okay, in any of the other previous videos. So after swapping, you can just print it. That is, I'll use for loop for each, if that is easy. That's why for each int x I'm taking, and I'll print system dot out dot print x. You have to print x, keep it in mind, okay? And I'll run now. Oh, I have to initialize j. That's all. Now let me run this. Why there is a error? It has to run, right? Yeah. If I give by 2 and check if it is running. See, it worked. I'll tell you why. Because if you run till n length, it will be swapped again and again. Are you getting my point? If you are running till n length, first I'll mark here. First you will swap 24, 45, done. 56, 88, done. 78, 23, done. But if you do till n, again the reversed array will be again swapped and you will get the original array back. That's why you need to give by 2. That is, you need to do only till half of the array. Right? Okay. This is one of the easiest method to reverse, and if you use 2 pointer, how does it happen? Let me explain you even that. 2 pointer is also very simple. You will have I and J. Okay, this is a 2 pointer which you are considering. You have to do this until your I and J is equal, or if they cross, so till then you will be doing. If I and J is not equal, you will swap I and J. Again, you'll do I plus plus. So that it will be here, and you will do J minus minus. Again, you will swap 56 and 85. Again, you will do I plus plus and J minus minus. Right? Still they are not equal. Again, you will do I plus plus and you will do J minus minus. So if they swap, you will stop it till there. So how do we code that? Let me just do that. I'll comment this out. Okay. Or it has removed only. Okay, fine. So let's do that. So with the same array, I'll take 2 pointers, right? So int I is equal to 0. We'll be starting from 0, and int j will be at my last index, that is array dot length minus, oh shit, length minus 1, right? You will point it over there and then you will swap. You can write the swap function or directly you can do this. How? You will make sure you have a while condition while I is greater than, less than or equal to j. So till then you will swap. Int temp is equal to array of I, and array of I is equal to array of j, and array of j is equal to temp. And what is the one thing which we did? I plus plus and j minus minus. So this has to give us reversed array. Let's see if it is giving. Yes, it is giving. So very simple. I hope you will try with yourself so that it will be a good practice to you also. Thank you.